So this is the third part or the third video in the series or in the course, which is how to scale your YouTube channel with the help of YouTube ads. So if you haven't watched the earlier videos, then I would strongly recommend you to click on that I button and go ahead and watch those videos first. Otherwise you would be lost. And if you are a professional and already know that stuff, then we can continue further. In this video, I'll explain you what's the difference between InStream ads and discovery ads with the help of exact bookish definition which is there, so that you understand which one is useful for you and which one isn't. So the bookish definition of skippable InStream ad is basically it plays before, during or after other videos. You might have seen a lot of Zomato ads which are InStream ads. So basically these are skippable, and after 5 seconds you see a skip ad option in the lower right corner of your screen. Well, there are also non-skippable InStream ads which are designed to reach customers with the entire message, and they are of 15 seconds or less. So with the InStream ad, you aren't charged till the time the person doesn't see or doesn't watches your ad for, let's say, the 30 seconds or 50% of your ad, whichever is the least. For example, if your ad is of 1 minute 20 seconds, then as soon as the person watches it for 30 seconds, you will be charged. And let's say if your ad is of only 30 seconds, then you will be charged when the person view or watches that particular ad for 15 seconds. So InStream ad is basically used by most of the brands, most of the companies like Swiggy, Zomato. So the competition is really high. So I won't recommend you to use this particular kind of ad type because the competition is really high. And right now you are not that experienced to actually compete with them. Once you are acquainted and you know the nitty-gritty of Google Ads, then you can go ahead and try this one. But currently I won't recommend doing so. So what you can do, there's another option which is basically discovery ads. So the definition of discovery ad is basically it was formerly known as in-display ads or TrueView discovery. It promotes your video on the YouTube search result page alongside related videos and on the YouTube mobile homepage. I hope you are getting the picture. So in order to watch this particular ad, there should be an intent. First of all, the person watches the thumbnail and then clicks on that video and then comes to a video and then watches it. So basically, only if the person is interested in watching your video, he will click on it and then watch it. The chances of attracting a far more serious audience are higher over here in comparison to InStream ads, because obviously the person is reading it and then clicking on it and then coming to the video. And if still he is not serious, then we need to change the audience or we need to figure out something else. Basically, this particular ad has a higher chance of getting or attracting serious audience, and that audience will eventually convert into your subscribers, right? Well, that was all for this video. Meet you in part 4.